Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to make porridge. This is made of ragi. Ragi is called in English finger millet. This is my mother's favorite dish. Also it's very healthy. Let's get started. 2 cups of black-eyed beans. Wash it well and add water. 1 teaspoon salt. And cook for 4 to 5 whistles. In a vessel, add 1 cup of palm tree jaggery. Also, it's called in Tamil Karupatti. Add half cup of water. Mix well so that it will melt in the water. Take half cup of ragi atta and add water to the atta. Mix well till there are no lumps. One teaspoon salt again and mix well. Now add the jaggery water. Now add 1 teaspoon dry ginger powder. Also half teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix well. Now add cooked black-eyed beans. Porridge is ready. This is my mother's recipe, signature recipe. Thank you for watching. Do try, let me know. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe.